Hello friends, welcome to our channel The Quantum Quest. In this video, we are going to discuss the multiplication of vectors. There are two types of products, scalar product in which the resultant is scalar, vector products in which the resultant is vector. Let's discuss scalar product in detail. If we have two vectors, vector A and vector B, the angle between them is theta as shown in the figure. The scalar product or dot product of these vectors is given by A dot B equal to mod A mod B cos theta. If the value of vector A, vector B and theta are given, we can find mod A, mod B and the value of cos theta. Then we multiply together, we get A dot B. This is a scalar quantity. So the product is called scalar product or dot product. If angle between them are not given and the vectors are given in the form such as A equal to AXI plus AYJ plus AZK and B equal to BXI plus BYJ plus BZK, where I, J, K are unit vectors, then A dot B equal AXBX plus AYBY plus AZBZ. The properties are, the first one is commutative property, that is A dot B equals B dot A. The second one is distributive property, A dot B plus C equals A dot B plus A dot C. The third property is if A and B are orthogonal, then A dot B equals 0. If two vectors are perpendicular, their dot product is 0. Fourth one, I dot I equals J dot J equals K dot K equal 1. If same unit vectors are multiplied together, we get 1. Fifth property, I dot j equals j dot k equals k dot I equals 0. Different unit vectors are multiplied together, we get 0. Note that the unit vectors I, j, k are perpendicular. Then they are multiplied together, we get 0. Last property is A dot A equals A square. When we multiply two vectors together, we get the square of the modulus of the vector. Let's do an example. Find the dot product of A equal 2i plus 3j and B equal 4i minus 5j. So, to find the dot product, multiply I components of the vectors and j components of the vectors and add them. Then we get 2i into 4i plus 3j into minus 5j equals 8 minus 15 equal minus 7. The answer is minus 7 and this is a scalar quantity. In this way, we can find the dot product. The second method is cross product or vector product. If we have two vectors A and B and the angle between them is theta, then A cross B is given mod A mod B sin theta into n cap, where n cap is the direction of the vector. In this method, we get the resultant as a vector and the n cap indicates its direction. If two vectors are given in the component form, like A equal AXI plus AYJ plus AZK and B equal BXI plus BYJ plus BZK, then A cross B equals determinant IJK AX AY AZ BX BY BZ. By doing determinant operation, we get the vector A cross B. This becomes more clear when we do an example. Find the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are I minus 2j plus 3k and 2i plus j minus 4k. Here, two vectors are given. First vector is I minus 2j plus 3k and the second vector is 2i plus j minus 4k. So we can find the area using determinant method. In the first row, write the unit vectors I, j, k and the second row, write the coefficients of first vector, that is 1, minus 2 and 3. The third row, write the components of second vector, that is 2, 1 and minus 4. So vector area equals determinant I, j, k 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, minus 4 equal to I into minus 2 into minus 4 minus 1 into 3 minus j into 1 into minus 4 minus 2 into 3 plus k into 1 into 1 minus 2 into minus 2 equal to 8 minus 3 into I minus minus 4 minus 6 into j plus 1 plus 4k equal to 5i plus 10j plus 5k. The properties of cross product are: first property is anti-commutative properties, that is u cross v equals minus v cross u. Second property is distributive property, u cross v plus w equals u cross v plus u cross w, where u, v and w are vectors. The third one, cross product of vector with itself is 0, that is I cross I equals j cross j equals k cross k equals 0. Fifth one, I cross j equals k, j cross k equals I, k cross I equals j. This is a cyclic property. We know that I, j, k are perpendicular and they are considered as a right-handed system. Today we explored the dot product and cross product. I hope you found the class clear and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more interesting physics videos. Thanks for watching.